La Spezia is the perfect place to start to discover Florence, Pisa, and of course Cinque Terre. But in my previous cruises I had the chance to go there, and therefore today I decided to do something different. I know I'm a little bit late, but I fall in love with the Netflix series Medici, and the fascinating history of this family made me to decide to visit today Lucca. Lucca, town founded in 16th century, it's at the moment one of the few cities in entire Europe with full, perfectly conserved Renaissance walls, and it's called the city of 101 churches. So let's go together to Lucca.